Hello and get ready to sing with me. After botching the launch of their first ever advent calendar in 2021, last year Flannels had a full advent calendar, with all 25 products inside. It was priced at £235. It included a Patrick Tar lipstick, a Natasha Denona Zendo 5 banner, a Pat McGrath quad, not minty little, single eyeshadow or anything, a proper quad, a full-sized Medicaid crystal retinol and so on, and it was among the best advent calendars of last year. This year's Flannels advent calendar is actually called the Beauty Christmas Cracker. It looks like that. Apparently the worth is more than £625. It is priced at £170. Bizarrely, it contains just 17 products, approximately 10 quid per product, yeah? So that's a Christmas cracker this year, not an advent calendar as such. Pre-order seems to be open, but stock due date is only the 5th of November. Let's hope they don't botch this year's launch. So very quickly, let's take a look at the products inside the first product. Olaplex number 3, indeed full-sized 100 mils, retailing at £28. Oft repeated, often seen, nothing very exciting. The second product, in case you can't make out what that is, it is a slip silk scrunchie, this thing. You get 2 scrunchies. A pack of 4 skinny ones retails at 29 quid and regular pack of 3 retails at 39 quid. So let's not count this at all and pretend it never existed and wonder what became of Flannels, who was sending out Pat McGrath quads last year. The next product, sing with me please, with a beta here and a beta there. Here a beta, there a beta, everywhere a beta, beta. Advent calendars have lost their charm. Chorus, you lot, go on! Do let me know in the comments if you did sing with me, yeah? Music, a magic beyond all that advent calendars can achieve. I'm so sorry, it's just that this one has been in every single advent calendar this year. So far, this one's been in every single advent calendar. Think of that, apart from the K-Beauty and vegan ones. Just think. So, of course, I've got to sing. In case you didn't make it the first time and you want to listen to me singing horribly once more, all together, come on now. With a beta here and a beta there. Here a beta, there a beta, everywhere a beta, beta. Advent calendars have lost their charm. You lot! Well done. Well done. Let's move on because the next products are both from Dr. BS. Look, I'm not saying beta's a bad product. I'm not saying Dr. BS is a bad product. I'm just saying send something else. Why are you sending the exact same product in every single advent calendar this year? That is my question. So Dr. BS is sending us the super anti-aging eye cream. You're getting 3.5 mils, probably enough to cover half your pinky. Full size is 15 mils, which retails at £160 for 50 mils. For 50 mils. See, this is my problem with Dr. BS. I have tried one little product from hers, and I'm keeping the other one to put in my Nightmare Advent calendar year after year. The product isn't, horribly bad. It's just that the price tag simply does not justify what you get for the price. 15 mils, £160. That's insanity. Now, the next product from Dr. BS is equally, look at the price tag. It's a clarifying mask that you get. That is 20 mils. Full size is 50 mils, which retails at £115. Why is everything in 3 figures with Dr. BS? That is my problem. Also, Dr. BS and Beta are everywhere, oft repeated in advent calendars year after year after year now for some time. So, I think we have the right to protest. How would it be? I mean, look, I love the Boom Boom cream. I've got gallons and gallons of it. But, I wouldn't want to receive this in every single advent calendar either. I would complain, I would rant, I would make horrible songs about it and sing equally horribly on camera. I'd complain if they put this in every single advent calendar, which they are doing to a large extent, but not as much as Beta. That is my problem. Yeah, let's move on. The next product is from Charlottesville Breeze. It is the Bella Sophia palette, which retails at £45. It's not a palette, my friends. I would call it a quad. Now, the thing about Charlottesville Breeze, if you've got 1 or 2 of these, or even just 1, yeah, look at that. That's my little collage featuring a bunch of Charlottesville Breeze quads. And yeah, not exactly way too different from each other, are they? And when you put them on your eyelids, the shades are going to, obviously, they're going to look very similar. Yeah, well, the next product is from Kylie Cosmetics, not Kylie Minogue, sadly. Kylie Cosmetics, matte liquid lipstick in the shade Candy 8 that retails at £18. Next you have a 190-gram candle from Flannels. 500 grams is full size, so let's not count it. Now at this point, this box, improves a bit. This is the turning point. And from here, I promise it does get better. All the fun and laughter over now. Now it is time for good products. The first product is the Dermalogica Neck Fit Contour Serum, 50 ml, indeed full size, retailing at £89. Next is a product that I've wanted to try for a while now. It is the Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer, 40 ml, indeed full size, retailing at £35. Next, another product that I wanted to try. I mean, I don't have the shade, I have the product, kind of. I don't have the exact shade. Pat McGrath Satin Allure Lipstick in the shade In the Flesh. That retails at £27 and is also full-sized. So I just don't have the exact shade In the Flesh, and I've been meaning to try it for a while now because it looks neutral enough. The next product, another very exciting product, full-sized, Moncler Parfum EGP, 60 ml, indeed full-size, retailing at £76. The main notes are supposed to be powdery, vanilla and woody. So there's powdery notes, heliotrope, vanilla, sandalwood and musk apparently, and amber. That sounds right up my alley. I would love to try this because this perfume actually sounds up my alley. And the staying power, according to reviews, isn't too bad, yeah? This is nice. I'm glad they've included a proper 60 ml full-size perfume in their box rather than tiny little 5 ml or 2 ml vials. The next product is from Medicaid. Is the Press and Glow Tonic. You only get 50 ml, full size is 200 ml. The next product is the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm, 150 ml, indeed full size, retailing at £11.99. Another product that I wanted to try for a while now. Next you have from Espar the Positivity Bath and Shower Gel, which you get 250 ml, absolutely full size, retailing at £25. I told you the advent calendar kind of got better after the 8th product. Next you have from Morphe, oh dear, Make It Big Mascara Mini, not even full-sized, Mingy I call it. Full-size retails at £10. Oh dear, you can't even send a full-size Morphe mascara. It's got to be a mini. Lastly, from Mercier, you have the translucent, not powder, you have the pure setting spray, 100 ml, indeed full-size, retailing at £34.50. So there are 9 full-size products in this box out of 17 products, and I think it began very badly with all those duds, the Slip Silks Crunchies, the Beta, the Star, and the oft-repeated Olaplex, even the Morphe. But, I think the Inkey List Balm and the Pat McGrath Lipstick and the Laura Mercier Spray and above all the Moncler EDP, they sort of made up for it. The only thing is I wish the price had been around 120 quid or so for those 5 products. I would love to try the Estee Lauder Primer, the Pat McGrath Lippy, the Inkey List, the Laura Mercier Spray and the EDP. But I think, for those products, it should have been around 120 quid and not 170 quid. The price point is a bit high for me. If it was 120 quid, I'd be all over this. But at 170, I want more. I don't want just 5 absolute must-have brilliant standout products. I want fewer duds. Yeah, for that price. So let's do the price breakdown and see what's happening. Olaplex is 28 quid, Charlottesville Breeze 45, you get £73. Dermalogica Serum 89 quid, you get £162. Next serum, sounds good, yeah? Another nice product in this box. Estee Lauder Primer 35 quid, £197. Pat McGrath Lippy 27 quid, £224. Moncler EDP 76 quid, that gives you £300. Inkey List Oat Cleanser 11.99 and Espar Shower Gel 25 quid, you get £336.99. Laura Mercier Setting Spray 34.50, you get £371.49. So £371.49, and there's at least a 200 quid savings in value in the full sizes alone. I only wish that it had been 120-ish pounds for this advent calendar, 130 tops rather than 170. That's one thing. The other thing is, I would have liked this to be a proper full-size advent calendar with a few more products, not, a 17 product cracker. I think there are good and bad sides to this. There's, absolute duds like scrunchies and the Beta and so on, and there's also absolute brilliant products such as the Moncler EDP and the Pat McGrath Lippy in here. So this is kind of like Selfridges for me, very mixed here. There are duds, but there are good products. if those good products are up your alley and you don't mind paying for the full size products that you will use, and if that comes up to above 170 quid, then go for it. That's what I would say. I mean, if you have been absolutely wanting that perfume and the McGrath lippy and the Dermalogica neck serum and the Inkey List balm, and together all of those products that you will absolutely use and not give away, if together all those products, full sizes only, please, come up to £170 or more than that, then this is good value. Otherwise, I would wait for a code, or try and get a code from somewhere, or wait for sales. So those are my thoughts on the Flannels Beauty Christmas Cracker for 2023. What do you think? Like me, do you feel there's good sides, good bits in here and bad bits in here? Or do you feel it's all good, or do you feel it's all bad, or do you think it's completely overpriced, or do you think it's great value for money? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video and for singing with me and for putting up with my horrible singing. Please do give me a thumbs up, please do hit the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.